Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I did the hairstyle in the first clip step by step. The first thing that you're going to do is detangle your client's hair and blow dry it to its full potential. Once your client's hair is fully blow dried, the first thing that you're going to do is make a part straight down the middle. After I made the part in my client's head, I applied gel to my client's scalp and outlined the part again to make it look sharper and neat. So the first step for this hairstyle is to make a triangle in the center of your client's head on one side. When you're parting the first triangle, make sure that you're leaving space for the other designs. I'll be leaving a picture of the completed hairstyle on the left side of the screen throughout the video so you guys can know exactly what part of the hairstyle I'm doing. When you parted your triangle that you'll be braiding, you're going to place braiding gel on the triangle and comb it through your client's hair completely. For stitch braids, I use my tail comb, the end of the tail comb, and slide it through the entire part so it can be stitched on both sides. I repeat the same step throughout the whole braid. So for this video, I only recorded one side of the hairstyle to show you guys how I did it. So for the next step, we're going to be connecting the braids that we just did on opposite sides. But instead of a triangular part, we're going to do it more circular. Make sure that when you're parting the next two braids, you leave enough space at the bottom of your client's head so the other braids can fit. For the next two braids, I didn't stitch them because the part was small and the stitches weren't going to show. So for the next 2 braids, you're going to start from the point of the triangle and connect it to the end of the braids that we just did. For the next part of the hairstyle, you're going to do the 2 small braids surrounding all the braids that we just did. But when you're parting it, make sure that you give the small braids a point. And for the last part of the design, we have the 3 small braids on each side. You're going to part them going straight up towards the back, and then when you're finished with all 3 braids, you're going to pull them down to connect it to the last braid. This is what your client's hair should look like after you finish with 3 small braids on each side. As you can see, I pinned the braids where you should be connecting them. And for the last step of the hairstyle, you're going to be braiding the remainder hair and connecting it with the 3 braids that you just did on each side. After you finish braiding your client's hair completely, you're going to use mousse. I use Cream of Nature mousse and place it all over your client's braids. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.